Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lay and I'm here with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what today's video is gonna be. This video is a highly requested video that everybody been asking me to do, and I finally decided to do it since I have time on my hand. And I just wanted to get this video out to y'all because normally when y'all ask me something and I already was gonna post it, I just like try to make time to get it done. Today is the day that I have time to do this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys learned from this video. And if you're one of the persons that asked for this video, make sure you comment down below and just let me know like if you understand or if you need more help. I'll surely get back to you. As long as I see the comment, I know I'm gonna respond back. But long story short, let's get right into this video. So I know I posted a measurement video already on my channel. If you have not seen that, I will put the link to it in the description box or somewhere on the screen. So make sure you go ahead and check that out because you have to do that part first to get to the part that I'm showing y'all today. So today's video, I'm basically going to be showing y'all how to resize the cap. I always got questions as if, oh, let's say that my client is a 22.5 circumference and I only have a 22 or a 23, the whole number, dome heads. How do I adjust the cap to fit a 23.5 or a 22.5 or a 21.5 and so on? So today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and put the other measurements on the dome head, and then once I have those measurements down, then I'm going to come back and show y'all the adjustment part, so this video won't be too long and I won't be repeating myself. So give me one sec. All right y'all, so I am back. I went ahead and I did the nape of the neck, I did the ear to ear across the forehead, I did the front to the nape, and I got those measurements down pat already. So pretty much the circumference that I'm working with today is a 21.5. so the dome head that I'm using is a 22. You always want to go to the higher number that's like next. So let's say your customer is a 21.5, you will use a 22 dome head. If it is a 22.5, you will use a 23 dome head because you want to get in the middle of the number. You don't want to go lower because then you're going to make it too small, so you want to go higher. So the circumference I'm working with is a 21.5, so I'm going to use a 22 dome head, and I'm going to take this extra cap that's in the the extra space that's in the cap after I did her front to her nape. I'm going to take this extra cap, which will make it to 21.5. sorry y'all, 21.5 circumference. I'm going to put it on the 22 dome head. I have the cap for a 22, but I'm going to resize the cap to a 21.5. Sorry if I just confused y'all, but yeah. So 22 dome head, I'm going to resize to a 21.5. So you're going to use the cap of a 22, but when you resize it and take this extra space in, it's going to fit a 21.5. Get it? Got it. So you see how you have this extra space in the cap? You see this? You're going to sew this in to the front. I always go to the front. I know some people like to go to the back, but I prefer the front because once you have your lace piece on, remember this extra cap is going to get cut off. So the sewing, that when you go and you sew this cap in, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want to make sure that it's sturdy. So when you go in and you sew your tracks, this don't come loose. You know what I'm saying? So I sew to the front, I don't sew to the back because I like to cut it off, so therefore that extra sewing and thread will be off the client's or your customer custom unit. So pretty much I did her front to her nape, so that's how I know that it will fit a 21.5. You don't want any excess cap like this on your wig because it's going to make it big. It's not going to fit snug, it's going to fit loosey. So all you want to do is you want to, let me zoom this in for y'all. You're going to take this extra cap, you're going to actually drag it forward till it is tight and a tight fit, no extra cap, and you're going to T-pin it to the front. So because you already put your proper measurements and you know that it's still going to definitely fit your customer, as long as you have the right accurate measurements. So go ahead and drag that extra cap up. Use your T-pins to get it to the front. Boom. So now that I have the extra cap pinned up to the front, and you see how tight and snug this is now, your client is not going to have any extra space in her cap. This is a tight fit. It's going to fit exactly on her head. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go in with your needle and thread. I already have mine pre-threaded, and now you're just going to go in and sew this to the front. So I'm going to come this way so you guys can see. Just sew like how you would like regularly sew your lace on or whatever. So I'm just going to put that through here to make a knot, and then you're going to drag it to the front. And you're just going to go in and sew the excess cap to the front. So now I'm just gonna cut that excess thread off, and you are officially done. It is very quick. It is super easy. So you just did your cap adjustments. It doesn't have to be perfect because like I said, it's going to be cut off. You just want to make it to where the excess cap is out of the dome cap. Her measurements is still on here. I just had to take out the excess cap. So now I can't even pull. Besides the extra stretch, it's no extra cap because I have sewn it to the front. So y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you guys learn something new. Like I said, if you comment and you ask me to do this video, make sure you comment below on this video right now and just let me know if you have a better understanding. And once you do it, just let me know if it helps you out. This will definitely help you save money as far as not buying every single size dome head, because for me on my Amazon, I don't see a 0.5 in a 21 and a 22 that's by GX. The only one that I see that's in the half size is a 23.5. I think that's the only one I see. So when I have a customer that gives me a circumference as in a 21.5 or a 22.5, this is what I do to make sure that it fits their head. So all you would do is, like I said, this cap is going to fit a 21.5, but I did it on a 22. So all I did was really sew that 0.5 that I had from a 22 in to fit a 21.5. I hope you guys have a clear understanding, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. You have some more video ideas, make sure y'all comment below and I'll be sure to get it out for you. Thank you.